How to update Alibaba app to the latest version. So first go ahead and open the Play Store. There you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen. Tap on search, which is located on the bottom right corner. After tapping on it, you'll see a search bar at the top. Simply tap on it and type in Alibaba. Then you'll see an app which is launched by Alibaba Mobile, and if you have any updates pending, you'll see a update button right here. But if you already have the updated version, you'll see an open option. So it is that easy. This is how you can update your Alibaba to the latest version. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.